Welcome guys, my name is Gökhan Kösem and in this Python lesson we will focus on Python string lists. We'll firstly start with creating Python string lists and then we'll print it. Then we will use add function, add operator, then we will use join operator. We'll see how to find a string in a string list and then we will learn how to sort string lists, or we'll also see the reverse sorting in this lesson. So let's not waste our time and start our Python examples. Here firstly I'll create a Python list. I'll show you. Let's create a Python string list with animals. As you can see here, I'm using square brackets, and here I'll write firstly lion, and then I'll write fish, eagle, and horse. Yes, this is our Python string list, and here I'll print this string list with print and as parameter animals. As you can see here, our Python string list is on the screen. And now let's see how to create or how to add a string to another string list. We'll add a string list to another string list. So let's write this one again. I'll copy, but I'll change the name of this string list, and then I'll create another string list, animals2, and this time I'll add cat and dog. So let's add animals1 to animals2 and create another string list named animals. I'll add animals1 to animals2. So let's print the created list. As you can see here, the first string list and the second one is combined with one string list here with the plus operator. Here we have used plus operator and we have added one string list to another. So we have created a different big string list here. So now let's use a method, a join method, that combine the members of the string list as one string. So here I'll use this string again and I will change the name. Yes, here I'll use print operator with double quotation mark and dot, and then join methods, as I will use animals as parameters. So with this command, with this code, as you can see, our members, our items in the string lists are combined here: lion, fish, eagle, horse. We didn't use any separator between these words, between these items, so there is nothing between them. So let's use this code again, and this time let's use a dash between them. So here, as you can see here, all the items are combined as a string and there is a dash between each word, each member. And this is basically join methods that is used with string lists. So now let's use another method, and in this method I will use find methods. And here we don't need to define always, but I will define to show you here in each line. So here our animals string list is here. We have lion, fish, eagle, horse, and here I will use if function. If horse in animals, if there's a string like horse in animals string list, then print yes. Else, print no. Oh, sorry. Well, problem here. I think it is about this one. Yes. As you can see here, animals we have checked. We have tried to find horse keyword, horse string in the string list, and because we have find it, this output is yes. So let's try another code here, and this time let's look for B. And as you can see, there is no B in this string list, so our output is no. Yes, this is basically how to use find method with string lists. So let's use another method that we will use in Python string lists, and this is sort method. So with sort method we can sort our string lists according to the alphabet. So by default the sort method works as ascending, and we can also use reverse sorting as descending. Firstly, let's use ascending version, and here I will define this again. As I mentioned before, we don't need to define always, but I'm writing here to show you all the code. And here I will use sort methods without any parameter, because if we don't use any parameter, this means that the parameter of reverse is false. So we don't need to use this here, and then let's print animals. As you can see here, eagle is the first one, fish, horse, lion, and this is according to the alphabet, the first letter of the strings. So let's do the same sorting with reverse parameter and as true, and this time our string list will be sorted as descending. And here, as you can see, lion, horse, fish, and eagle. Yes, this is according to alphabet, and the reverse sorting is like this. And in this Python lesson, we have tried to learn how to use Python string lists, how to use some methods in this Python string list, and you can increase your knowledge, your experience with different examples.